Hi honeys, it's Michelle. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing a Fashom box. Let's go ahead and get started. The way that Fashom works is they have you do a quick fashion quiz and then you also give them your measurements, and they send you, usually within 2 or 3 days, they'll send you a message with some items that they think you might like, and then you can select up to 5 items that you want to have shipped to you. It's $15 a month to get this box, and if you do decide to purchase anything that you keep, the $15 is credited towards that. When you open the box, this is what it looks like, and you do get free shipping and handling. Okay. So you get this Hello Beautiful card, and then you get a bag to ship whatever you don't want to keep back to them in. Sorry, it's double that size. There you go. It's the size of a pillowcase. So you should be able to pretty easily fit everything in there if you decide that you don't want to keep any of it. So I've got a sheet here. It says, "Hi Michelle, hooray! Today is Fashion Box Day. In this box you will find some trendy and chic pieces handpicked just for you. I hope you enjoy trying on these great styles, and I know you are going to rock them all season long. Hope to style you again soon, and happy holidays. Your stylist, Morgan." Thanks, Morgan. Happy holidays to you as well. Then it shows the items that are in my box, which I'll go over as I'm trying them on. And then it also says, refer a friend, enjoy $10 Fashom credit for every friend who makes a purchase. Your friend also gets a $10 credit too after signing up with your referral link. So if you want to go down in the description box, I will have the link for Fashom, and then I will also have a referral link. And if you click on that, you and I both get $10 credited towards our account. That sounds good to me. And then it says new discounts. You get a 30% discount for keeping all 5 items. That's pretty good. And a 25% for 3 or 4 pieces. Don't lose your style fee applied towards this purchase. All right, and then if you don't like the color or the size, you can send them an email. It's got the email address here. You can email them and ask for a different size. This month, the hashtag is Better As I Am, and it says, believe in yourself and you'll be unstoppable. You have 3 days to decide which items to keep or return. Remember, if you buy 3 or 4 items, you'll receive 25% off. Even better, if you purchase all 5 items, you'll get 30% off. And for each Fashom box sent, we donate $1 to Second Chance Rescue NYC Dogs. That sounds good. And then I got this pretty Christmas card. At Fashom, they have plus size, standard size, petites, and maternity. They're actually providing clothes to all of us, not just a little bitty part of the population, which is why there's so many other boxes I don't get. The first item in the box is this pair of corduroys. I love this wine color. Isn't it beautiful? They're in an 18 women's. Niana Skinny, cut from the Kloth, is the brand. Then we have this top. I really like this top. Isn't it cute? Look at that beautiful pattern. So on the front, it's like a blouse, like a kind of like a gauze material. And then on the back, it's like a regular t-shirt. So it gives you that extra stretch and a nice amount of coolness. And it's a V-neck, which that's my favorite neckline. And this is a 3X, and the brand is Moci, by Purple Rain. The next item is this long sleeve t-shirt. It's rounded at the bottom, the cut. You see that? Which I tend to prefer the rounded bottoms. I like high-low or rounded. I don't really like the box cut on the bottom of shirts as much, especially not when they're long sleeved. I don't know, I just think it looks nicer on a long sleeve shirt. Okay, the brand is MTS and it's a 2X. And it's this beautiful olive green color with white stripes. Then we have this cardigan. It's kind of interesting. It's sewn all the way up to the back of the neck and then it comes out. It's really pretty though. I'm gonna have to look and see. I'm allergic to wool. I don't know if I forgot to mention that, but oh, it's acrylic, nylon, and polyester. But it has that nice, thick, high quality feel of wool. So when things feel really nice, I usually worry they're wool. But this one is not wool, and it's in a 3X. And it's Zenobia brand. The last item is Millie Penzance brand in a 2X, and it's a faux wrap dress. Or is it real? Oh no, this is a real wrap dress. Never mind. I love this color. And it looks like it's polyester. One thing that's really nice about this fabric, you can wear it on a date, but you can wear it to work too. It's pretty, isn't it? I'll be right back. I'm gonna go try these on. Okay, the first thing I tried on is this dress. And it's nice and flowy. You can really have fun on a date with it. Make you feel a little confident when you're trying to get to know someone new or when you're trying to keep a spark alive with somebody that's not new. Now this is a real wrap dress. So it's got the tie right here, and then you can decide whether you want this to be in a bow or a knot. This does not have pockets, although in a dress like this, I don't think you would want pockets. I think it would add more width to your hips. The shoulders go right to where they're supposed to. And the arms, I love that they're a little bit longer. I'm not a fan of this cap sleeve crap that I keep seeing. I don't want people to see the tops of my arms. And so I'm really happy that these are short sleeve, but they're longer short sleeves. And there's room for my Thelmas in here. I got Thelma and I got Louise. And I like that they fit in there and it's not such a big deal. So this is I just really like this. I feel very confident in it. This would be a great work dress, date, church, going on a job interview. Anywhere where you want to feel good about yourself, you want to wear this dress. This is the Blue Night Wrap V-neck dress, and it's $45. I've got the top on, and I've got the corduroys on. Let's see how the corduroys feel when I sit down. What? What do you mean no? Did you hear my cat? No. The corduroys are comfortable when I sit down. They go just at the belly button level, and they do have functioning pockets. They're very comfortable and soft. I like them. I like them a lot. And they've got a little bit of stretch to them, which is always a bonus. They are the perfect length also. They're a little bit, there's a little bit of extra room on the length, which I like because that means when I go to wash them, they're not going to suddenly be all the way up to my knees. With this top, there's plenty of room in the tummy, which I like. It is a little bit tight feeling on my bust and on my arms though, which I don't really like, if I'm honest with you, which of course I'm going to be honest with you. It feels a little bit like I'm going to have to adjust it all day long or something. It just, for me, this is not the most comfortable top. I think if your arms are a little bit smaller or your chest is a little bit smaller, this would be great. And I'm kind of bummed because I really like this shirt. It just doesn't fit the way I want it to. This printed Aztec top is $38. The Niana skinny corduroy pants are $69. Now I'm wearing the Rena striped knit top. It's got a nice rounded neckline. It's a little bit loose. It's rounded on the bottom. And the arms are the perfect length. You know, I'm a big fan of things going below my wrist bone. I love this olive green color. Isn't it a beautiful color? So pretty. And this top is $43. And now I'm wearing the Zenobia plaid cardigan. It's very warm. It does have pockets. And it's got a slit up to here on the sides. The arms are the perfect length. And I'll pull up my hair so you can see the neckline on here. See how it's like sewn back here, so then it comes around real snug on your neck. And the point in that is if it's really cold outside, you can wear this and you don't have to wear a scarf also. And this sweater is $38. If I were to keep everything in this box, it would be $233. But if I kept all 5 items, I would save 30%, which would take $69.90 off of the grand total, bringing it down to $163.10. So let me know, what did you think? If you were me, what would you keep? Did you like this box? Do you get Fashom? Are you interested in getting Fashom? Okay, that's the end of my 20 questions. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. We'll see you soon. Bye.